Prestone's goal is protection in every driving situation, especially when you need your car to stop. Brake fluid helps move, lubricate, protect, and manage heat in your braking system. One of brake fluid's key features is its ability to not compress when pushed upon. As brake fluid is what's between your pedal and the brake pads, it needs to close them, not compress. Imagine this sponge is the brake fluid. If the fluid was squashable, your foot's pressure would be wasted squeezing it, rather than stopping the car. This is called brake fade and can lead to accidents. Friction in a braking system creates heat, which could cause brake fluid to boil and turn into an easy-to-compress gas, making your brakes less safe. That's where Prestone excels. Our brake fluid has a higher boiling point than industry standard, reducing the risk of brake fade when you need it most. So on long hauls or with heavy loads, you and your passengers have peace of mind and protection with Prestone brake fluid.